Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would get up to perform the prayer at midnight, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, all praise is due to you. You are the light of the heavens and the earth, and all praise is due only to you. You are the sustainer of the heavens and the earth. All praise is due only to you. You are the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and those who dwell in them. You are true. Your promise is true. Your word is true. Meeting with you is a fact. Paradise is a fact. Hell is a fact. And the hour is a fact. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I obey you, believe in you, repose my trust in you. Turn only towards you, wage a war for your cause. Accept your judgment in all affairs. So pardon me for what I did in the past and what I will do later, what I did secretly and openly. You are my God. There is no one worthy of worship saves you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1805.